everybody. Pastor Rick here. How many of you know God has a sense of humor? I remember I was late for an appointment, just kind of running behind, and as I'm driving through the neighborhood trying to get out to the city, to the freeway, I'm sitting here driving and I got stuck behind a bus that was picking up kids every other block. But what made it worse is not only was I stuck behind a bus, but there was a garbage truck behind the bus. So I was trapped and following a school bus picking up kids and a garbage truck doing its route. And so every stop the garbage truck did, I had to stop. Every stop that the bus did, I had to stop. And it was a stop, go, stop, go, stop, go, stop, go. And it was driving me nuts. And at some point, I just literally looked up into the ceiling of my car and I went, "Oh Lord, you're funny." I'm thinking this is a great opportunity to learn and exercise patience, that aspect of the fruit of the Spirit that we so love so much. Well, you know what? This Sunday, we're going to be talking about patience. We are in part 4 of our series, Juicy Fruit, and we're going to be looking at the aspect of patience. And we're going to be talking about that because we need patience with people. We need patience with, if you're sick and you're tired of being sick, you just need some patience for your body to get over it. Maybe you need patience with your job or your coworkers, your boss, or sometimes we need patience when, dealing with the Lord, because sometimes He doesn't work in our timing. So anyway, we're going to tackle all of that this Sunday. We're going to be talking about patience. So I am not driving right now, but I do need to go to work. I will see you Sunday. God bless you and have a great week. Bye-bye.